In this video, you'll learn how to effectively promote your Stan store on Pinterest. By following these steps, you will be able to increase visibility and drive traffic to your store, enhancing your online presence. Begin by adding your Stan store link to your Pinterest profile bio. Navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner of the Pinterest homepage. Once you are on your profile page, locate the Edit Profile button, usually found near your name and profile picture. After clicking this button, you will see an option to add your website link. Paste your Stan store link here, ensuring it is accurate and functional before moving on. Next, enhance your pins by creating engaging content that showcases your products, services, or tutorials. When designing your pins, use eye-catching images that represent your brand effectively. Incorporate text overlays that highlight key features or benefits of your offerings. This combination will help draw in viewers and encourage clicks. Additionally, provide clear and concise descriptions for each pin, ensuring they convey the value of what you are promoting. After designing your pins, it's important to organize them into boards strategically. Create boards that reflect different categories, products, or themes related to your store. To do this, navigate back to your profile and select Create Board. Title your board appropriately and add a brief description. This will help users find your pins more easily and understand the focus of each board. Incorporate keywords and hashtags throughout your pin titles, descriptions, and board names to optimize your content for search. Use relevant keywords that your target audience is likely to search for. Consider researching popular hashtags related to your niche. By doing this, your pins can reach a broader audience, increasing the chances of engagement and clicks on your Stan store link. Engagement is a crucial aspect of increasing visibility on Pinterest. Actively comment on Repin and collaborate with other Pinterest users. By interacting with others in your niche, you can build relationships and increase the chances of your pins being shared. This not only promotes your store, but also enhances your overall presence on the platform. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.